Ever wondered what the code is on the spine of a book? These are class marks, and they're an essential part of finding and borrowing books. But there's more to it than just that. When you look for a book on NewSearch, you'll be provided with a class mark to help find its location in the library. Once you've located your book, class marks can also help you discover additional books as our library shelves are organised by subject. Each class mark is made up of letters and numbers to form an alphanumeric code. This code represents the class of the book and helps us organise our large collection so it's easy to navigate. The first letters at the beginning of the class mark indicate the subject area, with the numbers following indicating specific information about the topic, then ending with the first three letters of the author's name. If you're using a class mark to find a book, we provide a range of tools to help you navigate our library shelves to find it, including interactive maps, which provide detailed information on the floor and shelf stack for each subject area so you can pinpoint the location of your book, library handouts, which you can find inside libraries and that provide information on the locations of class marks, and of course our friendly library staff who you can approach at any time with questions on the location of a book.